Hello students. So in this video we are going to solve the class 8 IMO exam paper 2017 set B and questions 26 to 50. So let's begin. And in like any other videos, you learn the quickest method. You don't have to solve all the sub questions. If a question has got multiple sub questions, you don't have to solve all the sub questions. I'll tell you the quickest method. You'll also learn the maths concepts and fundamentals with interesting facts and images. And this will also help you in your class 8 maths exam. So you may want to like and subscribe so that you can be notified about the next videos which will be there in the next few days. Okay, so question number 26. Simplify x square minus y minus z whole square upon x plus z whole square minus y square, and there is a big equation. Now normally you may think that how to solve this because it looks like a big equation, but you solve this by an example. And the simplest thing that you can do is take the value of x as 1, y as 1 and z as 1. Okay, so x square minus y minus z whole square. So what is x? X is 1. 1 square is minus 1, y is also 1, z also 1. 1 minus 1 whole square. So 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1, and x square minus x plus z whole square minus y square. So x plus z is 1 plus 1 whole square minus 1 square. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3. Similarly, if you solve this, its value again will be 1, and x plus y whole square minus z square is x and y are 1. 1 plus 1 whole square minus 1 square. 2 square minus 1. So 2 square is 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Again, z square minus x minus y whole square. So z square is 1 square minus 1 minus 1 square. What is 1 minus 1? 0. It will be 1 minus 0, 1. The denominator is y plus z whole square minus x square. So y plus z is 1 plus 1 whole square minus x is 1. 1 square. 4 minus 1 is 3. So this will be 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3. What is 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 3? It is 1. So answer is 1. Okay, next one. So in the following figure, A, B, D, H and C, E, F, G are two parallelograms. Find the value of X. Okay, start solving. Again, this is not a difficult one. Okay, so angle BAH plus 130. Angle BAH plus 130 is 180 because interior angles on the same side. 130 and this angle, interior angles on the same side. So AB is a transversal and BD and AH are the two parallels. So interior angles on the same side. So BAH will be 50 because 50 plus 130 is 180. It is same as DHG. BAH is same as DHG, corresponding angles. This angle and this angle are corresponding angles. Similarly, angle HGC. Angle HGC is same as GFE. So HGC is same as GFE, which is 30 degrees, isn't it? So angle H is DH is 50. Angle H is 50. Angle G, HGC is 30. 50 and 30. So what is X? Simple. 50 plus 30 plus X is 180. So 50 plus 30 is 80. 80 plus X is 180. So what is X? X is 100. Okay, next one. The difference between the compound interest compounded annually and simple interest on a certain sum at 10% per annum for 2 years is 31. Find the sum. Okay, so total compounded amount on sum S, which will be S into 1 plus R raised to N, where R is the rate of interest. So let the sum be S. R is the rate of interest is 10%, so 0.1 for 2 years. So N is 2. So 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 raised to 2. What is 1.1 raised to 2? 11 11s are 121. So 1.1 into 1.1 is 1.21 into S. So 1.21 into S. This is the total compounded amount. And compound interest will be 1.21 S minus S. So which is 0.21 S. And simple interest will be R into N into S, rate of interest into number of years into the main sum. Rate of interest is 10%. 0.1 into number of years is 2 into S. 2 into 0.1 is 0.2, isn't it? So To compound interest earned is 0.21s, simple interest is 0.2s. So difference is 631. So difference will be 0.21 minus 0.2. 0.21s minus 0.2s is 631 minus 0.21s minus 0.2s, it will be 0.01s is equal to 631. So s is 631 upon 0.01. What is 0.01? Is 1 upon 100. So 100 goes above. 631 into 100 is 63100. So 63100 is the right answer. Okay, next one. So given below are the steps of construction of a quadrilateral ABCD, where AB is 3.5, BC is 6.5, angle A is 75, angle B is 105 degrees, and angle C is 120 degrees. Which of the following steps is incorrect? AB is 3.5, which is fine. Angle XAB is 75, angle A is 75, which is perfect. And at A, and ABY is 105, angle B is 105 at B. This is also perfect. With B as a center and radius BC at is equal to 6.5. BC is 6.5, perfect. Draw an arc to intersect BY at C. Draw an arc to intersect BY at C, which is perfect, isn't it? At angle C, draw ADC as 120. So what that means is angle D is 120. No, angle D is not 120. Angle C is 120, isn't it? At C, it is angle C which is 120. It is not angle D which is 120. So step number 4 is incorrect. Step 4 is incorrect. Okay, next one. The given double column graph compares the average number of hours for which an electrical appliance is used on weekdays and weekends. Study the graph carefully and answer the questions that follows. In such questions, what you do first is you tabulate. As soon as you get this graph, start tabulating. So lights on weekdays 12, on weekends 18, refrigerator 24, again 24, computer on weekdays 4, computer on weekends 8, AC it will be 10 and this is 16, and others are 2 and this is 6, isn't it? Appliance which is used as many hours on weekdays as it is used on the weekends. Use half as many hours, isn't half as many hours on weekdays, half as many hours on weekdays as on the weekend. So normally you see what is the graph which is exactly half size. Exactly half size computer. Computer is 4 on weekdays, 4 hours on weekdays and 8 hours on weekends. So this graph, the black area is exactly half size of this gray area, isn't it? 4 is exactly half of 8. So computer is the right answer. And the give again, what is the total number of appliances used in the weekdays? Total number of appliances on weekdays, isn't it? So start adding the blacks. 12 plus 24 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2, isn't it? It will be 52. None of these answers. None of these answers is 52. So answer is 50. None of these. Okay. Okay. The given table shows the cost price of various items purchased from a showroom. Items and cost: shirt 1250, trousers 1550, and 2 t-shirts 2200. If the what will these items cost if the GST is 12%? Again, easy one. Total cost of all the items 1250 plus 1550 plus 2200, 5000. And GST is 12%. What do you mean? GST is over the cost you pay additional tax 12%. So its selling price becomes 5000 into 1.12, isn't it? Because it is added over 5000. 5000 into 1.12%, which is 5600. So answer is 56%. Okay, next one. Find the area of the given figure. Again, in questions like this, you have to divide and conquer, isn't it? So, 2 red rectangles. What are 2 areas of 2 red rectangles? 20 into 5 into 2. This is one red rectangle, another red rectangle. So, 22 into 20 into 5, which is 200. 4 yellow triangles, isn't it? 4 yellow triangles. And if this is 20 and this is 30, and then this will be 5, isn't it? This will be 5. So, 4 into half, 4 yellow triangles will be 4 into, what is area of each triangle? Half into base. What is base is 5. What is altitude, which is 3? This is 3. Half into base, which is 5. Altitude, which is 3. And 4 of these. So 4 into half into 5 into 3, which will be 30. One big green square, so 30 into 5, 150. And two blue rectangles, this and this. So what is the width? It is 20. And what is the height? Is 3. And two of this, so 2 into 20 into 3 is 120. If you add all this, the area will be 500. So the correct answer is 500 square centimeters. Okay, next one. Question 34. If x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 34 and x is greater than 0, then find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Here you have to approximate, isn't it? X square plus 1 upon x square is 34. So x is somewhere between 5 and 6 because 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36 and 34 is between 25 and 36. So we'll ignore 1 upon x square. We'll ignore 1 upon x square because 1 upon 25, if say x was 5, so 25 plus 1 upon 25, 1 upon 25 is very, very small, isn't it? 1 upon 25 is 0.004, it seems. 0.0, yes. So let's assume x square is 34. Just x square is 34. We'll ignore 1 upon x square, which is very small. So just x square is 34. So what is x? X is square root of 34. What is square root of 34? Is approximately 5.8. It is 5.8. So x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Again, we'll ignore 1 upon x cube. So what is x cube? Is x is 5.8. So what is cube of 5.8? 5.8 of cube is 198. So the answer is 198. The value of this is 198. Okay. If n is equal to 1 plus x and x is the product of 4 consecutive integers, which of the following is true? N is an odd integer, which is true, isn't it? Because the product of 4 consecutive integers will always be even, because 4 consecutive integers, there will always be 2 even numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 and 4 are even numbers. So this always will be an even number. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is 24. So 24 plus 1, what is 24 plus 1 is 25, which is a perfect square. Let's take another example. 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. Again, a even number, because there are two even numbers, so 4 and 6. 3 into 4 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 60 into 6 is 360, and 360 plus 1, 360 plus 1 is 361, and square root of 361 is 19, or square of 19 is 361. So n will always be an odd integer. It will always be an odd integer, and it will always be a perfect square. It will always be a perfect square. Okay, next one. The ratio of man's age to his son's age is 4:1. The product of their ages is 196. What will be the ratio of their ages after 5 years? Again, easy one. Ratio of man's to son's age is 4:1. So let son's age be A. What will be man's age? 4A, because then the ratio will be 4:1. And 4A into A is 196, isn't it? Because the product of their ages is 196. So 4A into A is 196. So 4A into A is A square. Sorry, this should be A square. And 4A square is 196. So A square is 196 upon 4, which is 49. So A is 7. Son's age is 7. So what is man's age? 4 into 7 is 28. Son's age is 7. Man's age is 28. And ages after 5 years will be 7 plus 5 is 12. 28 plus 5, 33. 12 and 33. Ratio will be 33 upon 12. What is 33 upon 12? 3 11s are 33 and 3 4s are 12. So 11:4. So the answer is 11:4. Okay, Mohit went to shop to buy 50 kg of rice. He buys 2 varieties of rice which cost him 4.50 per kg and rupees 5 per kg. He spends a total of 240 rupees. What is the quantity of less expensive rice bought by him? So what is the less expensive rice? 4.50 per kg, isn't it? So let the quantity of the 4.50 per kg rice be A and 5 kg per rice be B. Let the quantity of this rice be A kg, and let the quantity of this rice be B kg. So total was 50. So A plus B is 50. So B is 50 minus A, isn't it? Total amount spent was 240. So 4.50 into A plus 5 rupees per kg into B. 4.50 A plus 5B is 240. So 4.50 A plus what is B? B is 50 minus A plus 5 into 50 minus A is 240. So 4.50 A plus 5 5 is a 25. 250 minus 5A. Minus 5A is 240. And so then 250, 4.50 minus 5. What is 4.5 minus 5? It will be minus 0.5. So 250 minus 0.5 A is equal to 240. So 250, when 240 comes here, it will be minus. 250 minus 240 is equal to, when 0.5 minus 0.5 A goes there, it will be plus 0.5. So 250 minus 240 is equal to 0.5 A. So 250 minus 240 is 10 is equal to 0.5 A. So A is 10 upon 0.5, which is 20. So correct answer is 20. Okay, next one. Ashima has 3 cylinders, 3 cylindrical containers. P having radius 2r and height h, Q having radius 3r and height 2h, R having radius 3r and height h upon 3. Arrange the curved surface area of cylinders in decreasing order. So surface area of cylinder, what is the surface area of cylinder? Is 2 pi r into h. The surface area of the curved part of the cylinder is 2 pi rh. You forget the top and bottom. Only the curved surface area is 2 pi rh. And surface area of the first cylinder will be 2 pi into what is r? 2r into h. 2 into 2 is 4. So it will be 4 pi rh. Q surface area will be 2 into pi into what is r? 3r. 3r into 2h. What is h? H is 2h. 2h. So 3 to the 6 to the 12. So 12 pi rh. And for the third one, it will be surface area is 2 pi into what is radius? Radius is 3r and h is h upon 3. So 2 pi into 3r is into h upon 3. 3 will get cancelled. It will be 2 pi rh. So surface area in decreasing order, which is the first is Q. It is 12 pi rh. Then it will be P, 4 pi rh. And last will be R, which is 2 pi rh. So answer will be QPR. QPR is the correct option. Okay, next one. One custard recipe requires half cup of sugar. Another recipe for the same custard requires 2 tablespoons of sugar. If 1 tablespoon is equal to 1/16 cup, then how much more sugar does the first recipe require? Find the quantity in cups, isn't it? 1 tablespoon is 1/16 cup. So 2 tablespoons will be 2/16 cups, isn't it? So first recipe requires half cup. What is half? And what is second recipe? Second recipe requires 2 tablespoons. What is 2 tablespoons? It is 2/16 cups. What is 2/16? So 2/16 is 1/8. But what is the difference? So difference, how much more sugar does the first recipe require? So first recipe requires half cup. Second recipe requires 2/16 cups. So difference is half minus 2/16, which is half minus what is 2/16? 1/8. So what is half? Half is 4/8. 4/8 minus 1/8. So it will be 4 minus 1/8, which is 3/8. So difference is 3/8 cup. So difference is 3/8 cup. Okay, the cost of papering the 4 walls of a room is 480. Find the length. Each of the length, breadth, and height of another room is double of this room. What is the cost of papering the walls of the new room? So area of 4 walls. Let the length and breadth be L and B. Area of 4 walls will be 4 into L into B. And area of the bigger room, length and breadth are double, isn't it? Length and breadth are double. And also the height. So the area of the bigger room will be 4 into 2L into 2B, isn't it? Length into breadth into height. Again 4 into L, 2L into 2B. So again it will be 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 4 walls, and walls is only vertical thing, only vertical thing. So 4 into length into breadth, it will be double. So 4 into 2L into 2B, isn't it? So 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16. So it will be 16 LB, which is the area of the bigger room. Area of the smaller room is 4 LB. And so how much is 16 LB bigger than 4 LB? 4 times, isn't it? So 16 LB is 4 times the smaller room. 16 area of the bigger room is 4 times the smaller room. So cost will be, what is the cost? cost will be 4 times. So 480 into 4. 480 into 4 is 1920. So the option C is 1920. Okay, next one. A train 270-meter long is moving with a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. In what time will it cross a man coming from the opposite direction with a speed of 2 kilometers per hour in which the train is moving? So again, here you have to calculate the relative speed, isn't it? So relative speed is 25 plus 2, because train is moving in one direction, man is coming from the opposite direction. So relative speed will be 25 plus 2. If train and the man was moving in the same direction, the relative speed of the train will be 25 minus 2, isn't it? So because the person is moving at 2 km, train is moving at 25 km. And if they are in the same direction, the relative speed will be 23. But here 25 kilometers per hour, the train is moving in one direction, and 2 kilometers per hour, the man is moving in the opposite direction. So relative speed will be 25 plus 2, it will be faster. So speed is 27, 25 plus 2 is 27 kilometers per hour. Speed is distance upon time. What is speed? Speed is 27 kilometers per hour, which is 27,000 meters per 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 27,000 meters upon 3600 seconds. Speed is distance upon time. What is speed? 27,000 upon 3600. 27,000 upon 3600. And distance is 270. So distance is 270 upon time. And so what will time be? Time when it comes up. So time will come up here. 27,000 when it goes there, it will be denominator. And 3600 when it goes there, it will be numerator. So 270 into 3600 upon 27,000. If you calculate this, the answer is 36 seconds. Okay, because here 10, 10, 10, and 3 zeros on the top, 3 zeros at the bottom will get cancelled. 21 will get cancelled, 21 will get cancelled. Okay, what will remain is only 36. Only 36 is going to remain. Okay, Harshad bought 15 pieces of DVD players at rupees 4,500 each and sold all of them at total price of 81,000. What is the percent profit earned in the deal? Again, this is easy one. So 15 pieces at 4,500 each. So total cost is 67,500. And profit is selling price minus cost price into 100 upon cost price. What is selling price? Selling price is 81,000 minus cost price is 67,500 into 100 upon 67,500. So 81,000 minus 67500 is 13,500. It will be 13,500 into 100 upon 67,500 because cost price was 67,500. 67,500. Again, this becomes 81,000 minus 1 minus 67500 becomes 13500 into 100 upon 67500. So this will be, if you solve, it will be 20%. It will be 20%. So profit is 20%. Okay, an urn contains 2 red, 3 green, and 2 blue balls. If a ball is drawn at random, then find the probability of that the ball is not blue. How many total balls are there? 2 plus 3 plus 2, 7. And probability that the ball is not blue. So what are the other colors? Either red or green. So it will be either 2 of these or 3. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. So either of these 5 balls is probability is 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7. Okay, a general of an army wants to arrange 36562 soldiers in equal number of rows and columns. After the arrangement, he found that some soldiers were left. How many soldiers were left? Again, find the nearest square of 36562 because you have to have in the equal number of rows and columns. Equal number. So 200 square will be 40,000. 190 square is 36,100, isn't it? So again, this number is just more than 190. So 191 square is 36,481. 192 square is 36,672. Which is the square which is closest? It is 36481. 36481 is closest to 36562, isn't it? Because soldiers actually are less. We can't have 192 as the nearest square because there are not enough number of soldiers. 36672 is greater than 36562. So what is the nearest square which is less than this number? nearest square which is less than this number is 191 square is 36481. So if you arrange 191 rows and 191 columns of soldiers, you will get 36481 soldiers. And how many soldiers are left? So how many soldiers are left? It is 36562 minus 36481. So 36562 minus 36481 is 81. So answer is 81. Okay, next one. A shopkeeper offers 3.5% discount on cash purchases. What cash amount would Trishi pay for a dress if the marked price of the dress is 1250? Easy one, isn't it? Because you are getting a discount. You are getting a discount. If you go to a shop and if you if you want to buy a thing which is 100, which costs 100 rupees, if you are getting 20% discount, then how much do you pay? You pay 80, isn't it? Because it will be 100 into 100 into 1 minus the discount, which is 20%. So 1 minus 0.2. 100 into 1 minus 0.2 is 100 into 0.8, which is 80. Similarly, here the discount formula is S into 1 minus discount. So the selling price is 1250 minus into 1 minus discount. Discount is 3.5%. What is 3.5%? Is 3.5 upon 100. 3.5 upon 100 is 0.035. It will be 1 minus 0.035. What is 1 minus 0.035 is 0.965. 0.965 into 1250. 0.965 into 1250 is 1206.25. 1206.25. Okay, next one. Which of the following options is correct? So here, instead of solving everything, just find the incorrect ones. Additive identity of rational number A is minus 1 upon A. False. Additive identity is 0. 0 is the additive identity. For rational numbers A, B, C, A minus B minus C is equal to A minus B bracket minus C, which is false again. No, because let's say an example, A is 5 and B is 4 and C is 3. 5 minus 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 is 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 is not equal to 5 minus 4 minus 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. So this thing and this thing won't match. And C you don't have to calculate because C is very tough, tedious. And D is reciprocal of 1 upon x, where x is not equal to 0 is, again, it is x. Reciprocal of 1 upon x is x. It is not minus x. It is not minus x. So the correct option which is true is option C, because all the three are false. A, B, D are false or incorrect. The option C is the only option which is correct. Okay, next one. Question number 47. In the given figure not drawn to scale, ABCD is a parallelogram and GBEF is a rectangle. Find X and Y. Easy one. Okay. So angle CBH is 60, isn't it? CBH is 60. Here it is given. Because corresponding angles DAG is same as CBH, isn't it? This is a parallelogram. DABC is a parallelogram, or ABCD is a parallelogram. So DA is parallel to CB, and because this is 60, this angle CBH is also 60. If CBH is 60, then also this is a perpendicular line, because GBEF is a rectangle, isn't it? It is a rectangle. So this is perpendicular. So this angle EBH is 90 degrees. The whole angle is 90. So what is X? C angle B plus X is 90. What is so this will be, X will be 60 because X will be 30 because this is angle B is 60. So 30 plus 60 is 90. So X is 30. Again 90 plus 67 plus Y, isn't it? So 90 plus 67. This angle is 90 perpendicular. 90 plus 67 plus Y is 180. So 90 plus 67 is 157 plus Y is 180. So Y is 180 minus 157 is 23. So this answer Y is 23. X is what is X? X is 30. So 30 and 23. 30 and 23. Okay, next one. Question number 48. Read the statements carefully and select the correct option. While solving a mathematical problem, Samhita squared a number and subtracted 25 from it rather than the required. That is, first subtracting 25 from the number and squaring it. But she got the right answer. The given number is 13. Let's start solving. Number is 13. So what is 13 square? Sorry, this should be square. What is 13 square? 13 square is 169, isn't it? 169 minus 25. You have to subtract. She first subtracted 25. Subtracted 25 from the square of a number. So 169 minus 25 is 144. Again, so first option is 144. But if you do the correct way, so first subtract 25 from the number. So first subtract 25 from 13. So 13 minus 25 is minus 12. And then square. Then square of minus 12 is minus 12 into minus 12. Minus minus becomes plus. And 12 12 are 144. So again, by this method also is 144. By this method also is 144. So this statement is true. She got the right answer. She got the same answer. And second one is the smallest natural number, which is a perfect square and which ends in 3 identical digits, lies between 2000 and 3000. Let's see. Smallest natural number, which is a perfect square between 2000. 40 square is 1600. 45 square is 2025. So we'll start from 45. 45 square is 2025. The last 3 digits are not identical. 46 square is 2116. Last 3 digits are not identical. Similarly, 47 square is 2209. Last 3 digits are not identical. If you calculate till 54, which is 2916, which is just less than 3000. 2916 is just less than 3000. 54 square is 2916. None of these digits are perfect square. None of these digits are perfect square. So statement 1 is true, but statement 3 is false, because smallest natural number, which is perfect square and ends in 3 identical digits. None of these numbers ends in 3 identical digits. So this statement is false. Okay, question number 49. So match the following. You have to solve only for S. Why? Because S, the answers are different. A here is 4, B is 3, C is 4, and D is 1. Answers are unique, isn't it? Answers are unique across A, B, C, D. Say if you take R, R is here and R is here as well. Answers are not unique. If you say Q, Q is 1 is here, 1 is here. Answers are not unique. P is 2 is here, 2 is here, 2 is here. So P differently, answers are not unique. So solve only for S. So only for S is S is 4x square plus 4y square minus 8xy, isn't it? So what is 2y and divided by 2x minus 2y? What is 2x minus 2y whole square? 2x minus 2y whole square is, what is a minus b whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 2x minus 2y plus into 2x minus 2y. 2x minus 2y whole square is 2x minus 2y into 2x minus 2y. And again, if you replace a by 2x and b by 2y, so if you say to a square minus 2ab plus b square, it will be 2x square minus 2 into a into b, which is 2x into 2y plus b square. So it is 2y square. So 2x square is 4x square minus 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8xy plus 2y square is 2 into 2, 4y square. So again, this thing is 2x minus 2y whole square is 4x square minus 8x square plus 4y square, which is same as 4x square plus 4y square minus 8x square. So this actually is the square of 2x minus 2y, isn't it? So 2x minus 2y whole square upon 2x minus 2y is 2x minus 2y whole square upon 2x minus 2y is, this thing will cancel the square, is 2x minus 2y. So again, correct option is 2x minus 2y. So for S, it is 3. For S, it will be 3. So the correct option is option B. Isn't option B? Do not solve for any other sub questions. Okay, last one. Hooray! State T for true and F for false and select the correct option. And here you only have to solve for 2 and 3. Isn't it? 2 and 3, because the answers are unique. It is true, false, true, 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 false, and false, false. So only solve for 2 and 3 because the answers may be unique here. So true, true, isn't it? True, true. Let's see. True, true, and true, false. So let's see. We will say number 2. Take an example. S is 200, isn't it? Take an example. Compound interest, the simple interest and compound interest on simple interest and compound interest and on the same principle for time period greater than 1 year, and the same rate of interest are not equal. So for, let's say, take for sum as 200, rate of interest is 10%, and number of years which should be greater than 1 year will take 2 years. Simple interest after 1 year will be S into N into R upon 100, isn't it? So it will be simple interest is 200 into N is number of years is 2, R is 10%, 10 upon 100 is, this will be 40. And compound interest after 1 year will be S into 1 upon R upon 100 raised to N minus S, which is the compound interest. So 200 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 raised to 2, isn't it? Raised to 2. This will be raised to 2. 1 upon 100, 10 upon 100 raised to 2 minus 200. And this will be 1.1, isn't it? Because 1 to 10 upon 100 is 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 raised to 2. So 200 into 1.1 raised to 2 is 200 into 1.21 minus 200. 200 into 1.21 is 242 minus 200. So 242 minus 200 is 42. So the simple interest and compound interest on the same principle for time period at the same rate of interest are not equal. 40 is not equal to 42. So 2 is correct. Let's solve for 3. Let's solve for 3. It will be in, if sum of 2000 becomes 2600 after 3 years, then the rate of simple interest is 10% per annum. Let's see. Simple interest earned will be 2600 minus 2000, isn't it? 2600 minus 2000. So simple interest is 600. And let's see, at the rate of 10% for 3 years on 2000 simple interest, which is 2000 into 3 into 10 upon 100. So 2000 into 3 into 10 upon 100 is 600. So this 600, this 600 exactly matches. So 2 is also true, 3 is also true. True and true. Only option where this is true and true is option number B. So for 50, the correct option is option number B. So with this, we have, students, come to the end of Class 8 IMO exam paper 2017 set B, questions 26 to 50. And you may want to like and subscribe because I will be publishing the next videos in the next few days. So thank you for watching this video, students. Thank you. Bye-bye.